we got another one here. That's a good size. Yay! We need a net for this one. That's so cool.
This is a nice one. This is a nice one.
Very nice one.
Very nice one.
Oh,
Don't lose it.
no, I can't go any more than.
Oh man. David, you lose that and throw it in the water.
That's a big one.
If he gets up in those mangroves, then you're screwed. Where is he? He's down here.
Oh, what a mother. That's got to be 3 feet long. Oh, don't lose this one. You won't fit in that.
Yeah, he will. He will. He will.
We just gotta settle him down a little.
Just hold my head. There you go. I got him.
Oh.
You got to take it yourself. Congratulations.
Look at that.
That's a nice one there, Dave. Well done. Nice one. I know. You know what? Throw it out again. We came for Sheepshead.
That's right. We will throw it back.
No.
That means you can use his mouth, can't you?
Yeah. As long as it's, they don't bite you.
Yeah.
Lift your head a little bit to the light. I can't get your head face. Try that. There. Smile.
Okay.
Well done. Well done. Nice fish. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a fun day today. I've been invited out to go fishing with some friends of mine. That's Joe, Dave and Ken, and it's on Joe's boat. We're going to go out and see if we can catch some sheepshead, and I'm looking forward to that. The bait we're going to use today is going to be shrimp basically. We didn't have time to go and get anything else. We might get some oysters or whatever as we go along, but initially it's going to be shrimp. I hope you enjoy the video. It's going to be fun, I think, and hopefully going to catch some really nice sheepshead too, so we can show you some great pictures and some good footage as well, and you'll enjoy it. So stay tuned. Quick fuel stop.
Fish?
Dial the number on him.
Nice guy. I thought I lost him.
And you got him out here by that post?
I'm not telling you.
Oh shit.
Jerry, you want me to go on, Heather? That is a nice one. But you keep it over the boat so we don't drop it.
So they can see my face. 2 hands.
He can't
Yeah,
get away.
there we go.
He's got the hook in him yet.
Give me a little kiss.
Yeah. You got some good ones.
That was. I'll show you guys how to do this.
You do
Great.
that.
Joe, so if we're playing Ludo, we got to start all over again? Is that it? We're behind a little bit.
Here, I got.
That's a nice one. That's a
See
really
if
nice
you
one.
get the.
Could measure it.
Well, here, let me get the rag. You have a good grip with the rag. Hang on.
I didn't see a rag up here.
Here's one.
It's a nice fish.
Here, I know how to get it off. Here, look, where's my tool? Where's my tool?
He's off.
Oh, he's off? Good man. Did you see how I did that or not? I'm just trying to help him a little.
Yeah, I saw that. That is a good one.
But measure it.
Oh. Yeah, well, you do it. Like, there you go. Open wide. Oh my gosh.
Look at those teeth.
He's got better teeth than David.
Holy smokes. Okay, look through that book.
Picture time. Let's see it. That is a good sized sheepshead. Jeez. That is nice.
Show them the teeth too. Take a picture of the teeth. Then show your teeth too.
Wait, going that way.
And get the, with his teeth and show his. See which ones are whiter.
All right.
Nice one. Very nice. I'm gonna try again. There we go. He's got it.
Wait, one more. Hold it up.
A little bit further forward.
It's like it took two of them to fall in.
And hang on, stand there.
The reason is that's
Lift
one
that
I
up, Joe.
really. That's one that. That's one that I should have had. That's why I wanted the picture.
Sorry,
Bingo.
Joe.
There we go, picture of Hook there.
Oh, I saw a sheepshead, a big one, come up right by the column. Wow. It's got to be a 50-incher.
Nice one.
That's a baby. It might be a keeper though.
I told you, it's a big one. Oh, smile. Not him.
Nice.
That's a full inch.
That's right.
Is that a 12 inches?
Perfect day.
David, smile.
Hi there. That's a tape on the top. Front
That's a good day out with the boys, huh? So this is the result after a really nice day on the water with all the boys and having fun catching sheepshead. And here we go, 11 big nice sheepshead. This is the biggest one. It's about 18 inches, 18 and a half, almost 19. Really nice. And 2 snappers as well. All in all, a perfect day. I hope you liked it. And also now we're gonna see if we can make some food out of it, and hopefully it's gonna be delicious. I'm quite sure it is. These things taste really, really nice. So stay tuned and we'll get that part too.
That one I missed a little bit right there. Oh well.
Here's the final result, a little bit of pasta and fresh caught fish straight from the ocean. Awesome. Well guys, that was a whole day of fishing today after Sheepshead over at the area of Sanibel area and also down to the south. It's been great. We've caught a lot of Sheepshead. It turned out to be about 13 in total and some big ones too, 18.5 inches long. Really nice ones. It was a good day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll come back with another video as soon as we can. So until then, we'll do like a tree and leave. See you next time.